Let's get a little nostalgic and make some good old nougat candy. Hopefully this brings back some really special childhood memories. We just need 4 simple ingredients. We're going to start with some white chocolate chips and then a bag of mini marshmallows. And we'll add in some butter, and then we're going to take this and put it in the microwave. We're going to start off for 90 seconds. I just have to do mine at 60 seconds at a time. And take it out. Let's give it a stir. You want to put it back in for 15-second increments. Mine only required one more 15 seconds. Gave it a stir. It was great. I could add in my gumdrops or my dots. I use dots. You want to work pretty quickly. It does start to harden. Get it into a baking pan with some parchment paper and flatten that out. We're going to take it and put it into the refrigerator and refrigerate it for overnight. Now we're going to take it out and cut it into some pieces. Wait till you see, look at that. Look at how beautiful. So I use dots. You can use dots or gumdrops. This is absolutely delicious and so easy to make. I hope your family loves it as much as mine. And give me a like and a subscribe. I appreciate it. Happy holidays, everyone.